Good morning and welcome to Equipment and Marketing. We're taking a look at a 2015 utility 48 by 102 spring ride slider. Folks, this is a beautiful unit. Brand new straps all the way down the passenger side. Beam condition is in excellent shape. As you can see, it's been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Kingpin plate's been checked and verified. As we come down to the passenger side, this has a large aluminum toolbox. This is a sliding spring ride, brand new rubber, refurbed outer steel rim, brand new brakes and drums on this unit. This unit will carry a Moffett, a Princeton, and many other brands. It has a universal kit on it. Just let us know what you have, or take a look at our inventory at 99lifts.com and see what we have available. We have lots of Moffetts, Princetons, and Loadmax available for sale. As I said, refurbed steel outer rim, brand new rubber all the way around. Beautiful beam condition, aluminum deck is in phenomenal shape. Folks, this is a beautiful unit, 2015 utility, ready to go, ready to come work for you. This is Equipment and Marketing. Website is 99lifts.com. Our phone number is 260-238-4998.